alcohol is even prohibited in the Hindu scriptures. It is mentioned in Manusmriti, chapter number 9, verse number 235, that a priest killer, a liquor drinker, a thief, and a violator of the Guru's marriage bed, these people, they are committing major sins. Few verses later, Manusmriti, chapter number 9, verse number 238, that these miserable men, no one should eat with, no one should sacrifice for, no one should read to, no one should marry. They should be left wandering in the earth, excommunicated from all religions. Further, it's mentioned in Manusmriti, chapter number 11, verse number 55, that a priest killer, a liquor drinker, a thief, and a violator of the Guru's marriage bed, and those people associated with these people, they are committing major sins. Alcohol is prohibited in the Hindu scriptures in several places. Manusmriti, chapter number 9, verse number 225. Manusmriti, chapter number 7, verse number 47. Rigved, book number 8, hymn number 2, mantra number 12. Rigved, book number 8, hymn number 21, mantra number 14.